So I started the makeup look off today with my eyebrows already filled in, and I used the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Noir. Then I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm using the shade Hunts as a transition colour. So I'm literally just buffing that all in my crease with my Morphe MB23 brush.
No, you don't need me no more. No, you don't need no more. Now I'm in Miami with all these angels from the valley all around me. But I can't stand it, cause the song the DJ played tonight reminds me.
Next I'm going in with the shade Jax and I'm buffing that in my outer V and also using it to darken up the crease just a little bit.
Now you go moving on. No, you don't need me no more. No, you don't need no more. I'm feeling so good, 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 feeling so good.
Next I'm going in with the shade Queen, which is a shimmery gold colour, and I'm using that for my lid.
You, oh, I'm thinking about you, oh, I'm thinking about how I done did you wrong, how I done left you cold. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold, someone else keep you warm. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Now I'm in Miami with all these angels from the valley all around me. But I can't stand it, cause the song the DJ played tonight reminds me.
Now I'm just going in again with that Morphe MB23 brush just to make sure everything's blended seamlessly. Now I'm just going in with some wipes, just literally cleaning up all of the fallout and sharpening up that outer V. To prime my skin, I'm using the Nivea for Men Post Shave Balm, and I'm putting this all over my face and focusing it on the T-zone. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Maybeline Dream Satin Liquid in the shade Rich Cocoa Beige, and I'm going to be darkening it up with the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Khartoum, as I'm tanned right now from being on holiday. And I'm mixing those with the Iconic London Illuminator drops in the shade Glow.
I'm in Miami, gone off the Henny, thinking about you.
Next I'm going in with my beauty blender from Raw Techniques just to blend all of that foundation in, and then I'm going to be contouring with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. I'm just going to be putting that on my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and down the sides of my nose.
I'm in Miami with all these angels from the valley all around me. But I can't stand it, cause the song the DJ played tonight reminds me. How I done did you wrong, how I done left you cold. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold, now you go moving on. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. I'm feeling so good, 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 feeling so good. I'm in Miami, gone off the Henny.
To highlight, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just putting this under my eyes in a triangle motion, bringing it up onto the sides of my nose just to thin it out, down the bridge of my nose, bringing it up onto my forehead, on my chin, and also under the contour to sharpen that up.
But I can't stand it, 'cause the song the DJ played tonight reminds me how I done did you wrong, how I done left you cold. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold, now you got moving on. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more.
Now I'm gonna bake with the Mercier loose setting translucent powder, and I'm just putting that under my eyes and bringing it up onto the sides of my nose just to help create the shape and sharpen up the nose contour. Then I'm gonna be going in with the Benai translucent powder in the shade Topaz for the rest of my face.
These angels from the valley all around me, but I can't stand it, 'cause the song the DJ played tonight reminds me how I done did you wrong, how I done left you cold. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold, now you're gone.
Now I'm going back into that Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the shade Roxanne just to add some colour to the lash line. To powder my contour, I'm using the contour powders from Geek in the shade Deal Breaker, and I'm just putting this on my forehead, jawline, and on my cheekbones.
I'm thinking about how I done did you wrong, how I done left you cold. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold, someone else keep.
Now I'm just dusting away all of that setting powder, and I'm just going in tiny circular motions just to make sure everything is blended, there's no harsh lines, and everything just looks flawless.
'Cause the song the DJ played tonight reminds me how I done did you wrong, how I done left you cold. No, you don't need me no more, no, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold.
To bring some colour back into the face, I'm going to be using this blush from MAC in the shade Raizin. And then to set the whole face, I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralise Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. And here I forgot to contour my nose earlier, so I'm just going back in with that shade from Geek Deal Breaker and just powdering my nose contour. the skin, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the Aloe Herb and Rosewater one. Then before the face is completely dry, I'm going to be highlighting with the MAC, it's called the Mineralise Skin Finish in the shade Gold Deposit. And I'm just putting this on my cheekbones, a little bit on my cupid's bow, on the bridge of the nose, on the brow bone, and also I'm putting this on the inner corner.
No, you don't need me no more. No, you don't need no more. Left you out in the cold. Now you got moving on. No, you don't need me no more. No, you don't need no more. Now I'm in Miami with all these angels from the valley all around me. But I can't stand it, 'cause the song the DJ played.
For lashes, I'm using these fluffy mink lashes. I'll put the link in the description box because I got them online. Then I'm just going in with the NYX Extreme Shine eyeliner in the shade Golden Bronze, and then just applying some mascara before popping on my falsies. For the lips, I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and then I'm going in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe, and then for gloss I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. Literally, guys, my lip gloss was on its last breath. I was in a bit of a rush, guys, because my camera was about to die, but don't forget to clean your falsies so they don't look like that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.